Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a jet. So first you're going to want to add a rod, and then you're going to want to build out by 10. You can use a scaling tool like this. And then you're going to want to add a thruster, and then a normal thruster. Okay. And then you're going to want to add a seat, just like this. And you do not want the seat linked to this. So unlink it. Like that. And then you're going to want to add balloons onto the front, just like this. De-link all of these to the chair. There we go. And then you're going to want to delete every other in the front four, just like this. And then in the front, here. So you want this there. And then you're going to want parachutes in between the middles right here. Alright. And then de-link these from the chair. Okay. It's going to be looking just like that. Now you're going to want to add a lever on this side. There's going to be a lever for the parachutes and a lever for the balloons. So this one's going to be for the parachutes, so you're going to want to de-link all of these. There. Okay. And then you're going to add one for the parachutes, so you're going to put that there. And then you're going to de-link these. Okay. Now if you click this, it will activate the parachutes. And if you click this, it will activate... Huh. Hold on. Okay, now it should be fixed. Yep. The balloons get activated. And then the parachutes get activated. And then you're going to want to add a button here. Just like that. Yep, you want it linked to these two. Okay. So, yep. Working. And then we'll have to test it out. Okay, you're going to want to save this right in this slot right here. Okay, here we go. Oh, you're going to want to unanchor it. Just like that. And then you're going to delete this. And then you can test it out. It works pretty well. So you want to press the balloon button if you want to lift off. Just like this. And then you press this. Oh, you have to hold it down. And you'll be flying in the air. It's really pretty easy. It's just pretty hard to control. You gotta get the hang of it. Yeah, so anyways, I'll show you mine. Just got 80 gold from that. It's pretty good. It's not like an auto farm or something, but this is mine. I will unanchor this. I will push this forward a bit to get to this. And then you press this button. It releases a bunch of balloons. And then you fire. There we go. And then once you're right here, you're going to want to deploy the parachutes. Just like that. And then you're going to, here, deactivate the balloon button. And then you should just fall down this with a nice parachute. It guides you down. And then you can just roll to the end if you want. Or you can just wait. I like rolling to the end because it's faster. And you don't want to waste time. Alright, and then you just walk up to that chest over there, and you'll get all the gold you need. Here we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.